name's Cathy from 123Vietnamese.com. Welcome to Lesson 3, Airport Arriving. Okay, here we are in the arrival hall.
I need to change the time of my watch to Hanoi time. Did I get here on time?
Bạn đến muộn. That means you are late. Muộn, it means late.
Yeah, I'm a bit late. The flights would be late. How do I say that?
Máy bay của tôi bị muộn. It means my plane was late.
So, my by means airplane.
Yes, máy bay. Máy bay also means a machine can fly. Bay means fly. Máy means machines. So, máy bay means fly machines. Is how we say airplane in Vietnamese.
I see. So, my by qua tôi means my plane. And be one means was late. This is how to say my plane was late. What about my plane was early?
Máy bay của tôi rất sớm. Sớm means early.
I see. So my by qua tôi rất some. It means my plane was very early.
Perfect. You learn Vietnamese very quickly. There are some words related to airport. For example, sân bay, it means airport.
Sang by. Yes, I think it's easy to remember Vietnamese words.
Do you have bags?
Yes, they are here. What do we call bags?
The Vietnamese word is túi.
So I want to say I have bag. What do I say?
Tôi có túi. The new word here is có. Có means to have. Tôi có means I have. Túi means bag. So, tôi có túi means I have bag.
Oh, for some reasons, if I want to say I don't have bag, how do I say that?
If you don't have bag, you can use không in the sentence. Không có means not have. Tôi không có túi. It means I don't have bag or I not have bag.
Okay, so có means have, and không có means not have or don't have.
Yes. Do you want to get taxi to the hotel?
Ah, wait a minute. Where is the toilet?
Do you want to ask it in Vietnamese?
Sure. How do I say where is?
You can say ở đâu. Ở đâu means where or which place. The word for toilet is nhà vệ sinh. The sentence nhà vệ sinh ở đâu? It means the toilet is where or where is the toilet? You can use ở đâu to ask about the place in Vietnamese.
Nhà vệ sinh ở đâu?
The answers for you is nhà vệ sinh ở đằng kia, which means the toilet is over there. Đằng kia means that place, there or over there. Nhà vệ sinh ở means the toilet is, and đằng kia means over there.
Okay, I'll just go as you have directed.
Yes, of course.
Okay, now let's get a taxi to the hotel.